No, me and my friends, we had something.
It looks like
similar.
me. The hair is so different with it.
Back in the day, like, I had I had a 3 hour, like 3. There was like 3 left.
How's the game going, Zach?
After like we all had my
It's been going pretty bad recently. I'm in a spot where it's not difficult, it's just completely random. There's things I need to ride to get across,
Oh.
and they just don't spawn.
Did you get a ride?
No, they're huge, they're reindeer.
Oh, Lord.
Most of the time, he would like have singles, and it was like after lunch, like he was just like, and then you know,
But like, they don't,
I can't control them when they move, and they always go the wrong way.
Oh my gosh, these things are loaded.
I've been doing it
These are
for
protein.
hours, honestly.
Protein.
And so now, so like now, like I feel like everyone in that series now is like protein. Yawn and make about it. Which really funny. That's what they're
Not everything protein. Starbucks drinks.
Oh yeah, protein and beans. Yeah.
Protein Starbucks?
Yeah. Yeah, they've been advertising that, but it's just kind of become a meme with like, you know, protein. Oh yeah, like protein. Oh no.
No, I don't care. The Cavs beat the Spurs today.
What? Whoa.
He was in San Antonio too.
Don't be like not blood.
Hey. For the 3rd time.
Yes.
They still did.
Still haven't seen the 93-yard run.
Second time in his career to pick 6, and that job made him spectacular. Absolutely, and you want to win the game as a underdog. Some of these plays, this is over and over by Matthew Stafford, Jesse Bates, huge big 6. Simply fit the stat, Rashawn McVay 1-30, we're trailing by 14. Here, Stafford looking deep, and who's this making this pick? That's Xavier White.
What's the flag?
This is a guy deep that all of his career. He probably
Yeah, right there.
Tom Robinson, you just had him on. What a great kid, but it also big time play. And you said it to me on the sideline. If you can read his name, you're not going to catch it. But you told me, man, I knew I just
That's an insane line.
That almost as good. Remember the one guy who was he was on the Steelers. Like the Steelers drafted him. He was on Kentucky, and he had like a little like fan.
I want to
in his
hear
mouth
people.
guard.
I want to hear. I was people hear me as they go by. I want them to hear that as I run past.
Kept off the kick and ran it back to the He said peace to Falcons.
Yeah, this game was absolutely cinema.
All NFL's been sitting the last.
Yeah, guess what? I'm using the cup for a
He's
second.
threw another pick 6.
Almost.
No. Oh, you're another there.
Which he really didn't need to. He actually probably could have gotten a
Yeah,
touchdown.
And also, there was
Dude,
like, a
you're not
penalty.
even close.
There was like a penalty after that, and they ended up like punting too.
Yeah, that nothing came out of that drive.
Like 24 off, and then who else?
Yeah, I didn't care about that. Did he play? So what's for? Oh, he didn't play. Okay. Was that from last week?
No, I don't think it's.
Or did he get hurt during the game?
No, I think he hasn't been played since.
Oh.